Fabulous. It's a real, I would say, a rude awakening in many ways because, we always like to ape people from the West, and it's a very humbling feeling when you have a master from our part of the world, an Eastern master when it comes to his philosophy, who became a giant going across to the West and conquering the Western world as early as the turn of the 19th century, the 18th century. It's a very humbling experience. It shows that there is a path to self-realization, and some of the techniques, which you see in the movie and which are spoken about, is quite unbelievable. People say, that you live in the modern day and age you experience a life of materialistic stuff, artificial stuff. You really don't hit reality the way it should. But I'm sure when you watch this film, nothing is impossible. If you can practice those techniques, you will realize the path to self-realization. There's also a saying always said, live in the now. What is the now? It is reality. When you keep getting a reality check, you will know how to live in the now and not think too far ahead, not think too far behind. No, I thought the best part, which I said later on, was how a man, a human being, just with a relationship, like a guru shishya relationship, bolte hain, through a relationship with his guru, Yukteswarji, could travel that far, single-handedly into the United States with nothing in hand, no baggage whatsoever, and then conquer the West just on sheer self-belief and the power of self-realization. Unbelievable.
Well, I'm really going to catch it again in the cinema hall on the 17th of June. I want to see it with with everybody there of the public. I'm very grateful a film like this has been made. I think it's very important that this sort of energy we put out into the world that we are living in today, a spiritually charged energy that comes from a great realized human being, is something we all need more than ever today, because the world is just being, and especially through the medium of cinema, which is the great, the biggest, the most powerful medium of entertainment and of reaching out to people. So it's just so lovely that Yoganand ji पे एक फिल्म बन गई है और वो अब सिनेमा हॉल्स में आएगी. And he has been a great spiritual power for the West for all these years. It's a pity that we haven't followed him as powerfully and as passionately, but hopefully things will change. And we really need this sort of energy coming into our space today, our space of the world. Very, very necessary.
I've seen parts of it and I was in and out attending to other matters as well. शुरू का देखा, अंत का देखा और अभी तो बहुत बार देखना है क्योंकि ये मेरे भी गुरु महाराज हैं. तो अभी तो बस देखना ही देखना है इस मूवी को. We are so happy finally this movie has released. We are also learning so much about our guru, and it's always uplifting and inspiring to see him and to see all the work he has done.
I think it was a very moving experience, and for somebody like me who's always been surrounded by a lot of devotees, I'm not myself a devotee and a follower as yet, but there was something that moved inside me when I saw the film, because it makes me wonder, there has to be something really solid that years after he was born and years after his existence, people are still talking about it, not just in a small village, a group of 100 people. It's countless people now spread across the globe, and it's so overwhelming to see what that man could do just based on his willpower, his faith, his belief, his constant inquisitiveness about seeking peace. And I've known of how many ever people who are the devotees, like really close friends of mine, they start their day or pick up the phone and say Jai Guru. And there have been times when I wondered why. You can say hello, yeah, but now I do understand that there's no blank reason why they just blindly follow the man himself, but there is a solid learning that has gone into them becoming devotees, and I hope to read more about it. It's been a very splendid, incredible day for me. In fact, my husband was reading book on him some 4 days back, and then a friend of mine who's a devotee invited us to this screening, and he was telling me about, oh, I'm starting to read this book. मैंने 1 साल पहले खरीदी थी, and I mean it's how, you know, like so many powers come together to get you to do something. The next morning he opened that envelope, which was the invite, and it had the same book. So it was very shocking, and maybe it's just a sign, it's a message that now maybe even I should start reading about it, and the next time I talk to you, maybe even I'm following the path.